Right. Guys, good evening. Can you hear me, all of you? Guys, can you hear me, right? Right. So, guys, so today we will start how to make a program, guys. How to make coding, right? See, guys, nowadays coding is the most important in the IT field. Coding is nothing but what here? Logical thinking, right? Logical thinking, guys. All of you. Coding means what? Logical thinking. So logical thinking is necessary for every job in the IT field. It may be Python or Java or let's take data science or data analyst, data engineer, AI, ML, DL, whatever it is nowadays. Right? So logical thinking is the most important, guys. It is most important. All of right. So when you start learning the coding, that means we start thinking logically. That is most important, guys. All of you. Okay. See, even though in the college days, we may have experienced Python coding or Java, C++, right? We may have the subjects, but they are academic subjects, right? That means we studied some theory questions, some programs. At that time, in most cases, most of the people, they don't learn logical thinking of the coding. Most of the people, they by heart the programs also. They mug up the programs. Some 5 programs, 6 programs they mug up, and then they write the exam. By God grace, suppose in Python, in academic year, in Python, out of 100, if you get 80 out of 100, then we think that, oh, he is very good in the coding. All of right? In Python, in academic year, or in Java, okay, what do? We had some questions, we had some programs, read the exam. By God grace, whatever we learn the theory questions, whatever we learn the programs, we mug up the programs, those came in the exam, then we read those things, we get 80 of 100. It doesn't mean that you know coding very well. If you get 80 marks or 90 marks, it doesn't mean that you know coding very well. That's why a lot of people, okay, who got good marks in Python, in Java, C++, in academics, they think that I know coding very well because C++, Java, Python coding subjects, I got good marks in coding. No. The coding what we learn in the college days is different. The coding what we learn in the training institutes is a difference, guys. Because we are learning coding here to get the job, to work in the real time. But in the college days, we learn the coding just to pass in the exam. Only. But here no exams. See, guys, you all 20 members right now attend the live. Why? Not for any exam purpose, right? You are not learning this Python not for exam purpose. Mostly you are learning Python H1 here for which purpose? For to get the job or to improve your logical thinking while you are working also. All of right. So the marks doesn't decide our logical thinking part. So that's why if anybody got less marks in the Python, C, C++, Java in academic years, don't worry. Don't worry. That is difference. This is different, guys. Both are not same. Okay. That's why you don't worry. Even though you got less marks in the academics, you are going to learn coding very easily. Very easily. And guys, this coding classes I am going to take minimum 3 weeks, guys. 3 weeks. Minimum 3 weeks. Yes, around 20 days, guys. Okay, 20 days. All of you, right? In these 20 days, if you concentrate very well, after 20 days, guys, you can see a lot of difference in you. In these 20 days, in these 3 weeks, whatever programs I do in the class, the same programs you try in different ways. All of you, not same as it is. Whatever I have done, don't try as it is. Try that one, the same you try in the remaining ways also, the same program. Because if you think in different ways for the single logic, we get improvement of logical thinking. All right. Some people what they do in the class, start on the one program. The same program we do in the laptop. We get the output. We feel that I am practicing very well because start on the program. The same program I have done here, I got the output. So getting output is not good practice, guys. We should get errors compulsorily. We should get doubts. The program should fail multiple times, right? Then only you can think more. When you get the error, we think more. When no error, copy paste, run the program output came. We go for the next program. That's why always think that yes, in my program I must get the errors. How many errors? Multiple errors we should get, that's all. Not one or two errors. In every line there must be an error. But at the same time we should not skip it. We should solve it compulsorily. The problems we should not avoid. We should solve it. In that way we start thinking more compulsorily. All of you. Okay, so I am going to promise you after 3 weeks you will be very good in the programming. But the thing is, every day attend the classes. First point, all of you. The first point what you do to become a good programmer. Okay, attend the classes every day is the one thing. All of you. After attending, we have to concentrate, guys. Concentrate more on the logical thinking, or more on the programming. First of all, guys, whatever I'm discussing the classes, you concentrate more on the programs. At the same time, as class over, practice the same program in different ways, guys. In different ways. All of right. This is what you try just for 3 weeks, guys. 3 weeks, you see lot of change in yourself. Lot of change. At the same time, we give assignments, guys. We give more assignments. In these 20 days, we're going to fed up with assignments, guys. That's all. You're going to irritate about assignments. Like that, we give that number of assignments here. If you do all assignments compulsorily, you will be top in the coding. You will be top in your group, in your circle compulsorily. Okay, and every day, we are going to share you assignment compulsorily. At the same time, you have to spend more time, guys, now onwards. Suppose 1 hour class. After class over, then you have to spend at least 1-2 hours compulsorily to finish the practice, to finish the assignments compulsorily. Then only coding will be easy within 3 weeks. Just attend the classes 1 hour, again tomorrow 1 hour attend the classes. Only attending classes is no use, because while I'm explaining each line, each program line, you feel, oh, this is simple, oh, that is easy, this is simple, oh, like that. You feel like that. It doesn't mean you are learning, because that is my greatness. That is the teacher greatness, to make you comfortable while teacher is teaching the classes. That is teacher greatness, because they are telling you in a simple way for understanding at that time, but doesn't mean that you are learning very well. So what we do after class over, you have to practice. You have to practice 1 time or 2 times or 3 times. At that time, that is actually a good learning. Practice, not just listening and leaving. It is not a practice. That is what we have done in the college days. Right on, guys. In college days also, our faculties are good faculties. But what you have done generally in the class, whatever they teach, we listen and we leave it. We don't put in the practice. That's why, guys, my request is concentrate the classes and practice compulsorily every day. Okay? Right. Without delay, we're going to start our coding, guys. But to make the coding, what basics required are? What basics required? Compulsorily required some Python basics, guys. Python basics. What basics are required? Right? See, guys, if anybody attending today first class, okay, already have taken basic classes for last 10 days. Last 10 videos are there on Python basics, right? So if anybody, today is the first session, after class over, just WhatsApp me on this number. I'm going to share you those 10 class videos, because those 10 days we discussed all basics very clearly. Those basics are going to use in our coding now. Coding means what, guys? Coding means collection of all basics we put together. That's called coding. All of you. Program means what? By using all basics, we make the program, guys. We make the program. Okay? Right. So, guys, as part of the coding, first we start with what, guys? We start with control statements. Control statements, guys. We start with control statements initially. Then in the control statements, what do we have? We have conditional statements, guys. Conditional statements, iterative statements, all of you. And then we have transfer statements also. Transfer statements, guys. This is what first concept, guys. First concept in our coding part. Which one? Control statements. In that one, 3 types. Conditional statements. Like what here? Conditional means if conditions, guys. If conditions. If else, like the condition statements. So iterative means what here? Loops. Loops means what? For loop, while loop, like that. And transfer statements means like break, continue, pass, like this. These are the what here? Transfer statements, guys. Once the above control statements over, then we go with the next one. That is what here? Some general programming, guys. Okay, general programming. Then third one is we start comprehensions, guys. This is most important to become an advanced programmer, guys. Advanced programmer, both are different. All of you, programmer, advanced programmer. Okay. And then, like that, you go one by one, guys. Next we talk about the functions, how to write the functions, and then lambda expressions, guys. Lambda expressions, right? And then file handling, guys. File handling. And one more most important is what regular expressions, guys, expressions. And then we'll discuss some Python patterns. Some Python patterns programs are there. Python patterns we'll discuss, right? And we'll discuss PDBC. Nothing but what Python database connectivity means. We'll see here how to work with a database from our Python PDBC. Next one, let's go with what here, whoops, guys, whoops. And then there are some small concepts are there, pickling, unpickling, like that. All of you, some other topics, guys, other small topics are there. That's what we'll discuss here, guys. All of right. But as point of interview, right? These all very important, guys. Comprehensions, functions, lambda, file handling, regular expressions, patterns, PDBC, right? And hoops and other topics. We'll discuss all one by one, guys, in a very easy manner. Very easy manner, guys. All of you. Okay. Right. Without delay, let us start the first one. What's first one, guys? Tell me here. Control statements, guys. Control statements. See, in the name itself, full meaning is there. Control statements. All of right. Now observe here. What's the name? The name is control statements. Control statements. I'll give the best example for this control statements, guys. Right? See, the statements which control the flow of program execution. All of right. It means what? The statements which control the flow of program execution. Flow of program execution, guys. All of right. The statements. Which statements like if statements, guys. Which one here? If statements are for loop, while loop. These all, guys. Okay. These all statements. Why do we use to control the flow of program execution. Suppose, guys, observe now. The program executing like this. The program executing like this. At certain time, I want to check some condition. This is condition. Imagine now, it is a condition. We check the condition, right? If condition is true, then go in this way. If condition is false, go in this way, right? See, means what is happening here? The program is executing here. And suddenly what happened here? We check the condition. For every condition, we have true and false, right? If the condition is true, then go this direction and execute some other code, some other block. Block means what? Some set of lines, guys. If condition is false, go to this side and execute some other set of lines. Like this. All of right. So, like it is like which one, guys? It is like traffic signals, guys. The best example what? Traffic signals, right? See, the bike is going on, and suddenly the bike stopped here. Why bike stopped? Because here traffic signals are there. All of right? Traffic signals are there. Okay. If traffic signal, right? If green light means what, guys? Tell me. If green light means what? Means what here? Go direction, some direction like this. If red means what? Red means what, guys? Like stop. The traffic signal, it can be green, it can be red, it can be yellow also. Red means what? Stop, right? So two different lights are having two different purposes, guys. All of green means go one direction, go straight. That's all. Red means what? Stop. Here also same. If condition is true, right? Go and execute here. If condition is false, then go other side and execute, guys. Other block will execute here. So like traffic signals, how they work in the same way. What they work here? control statements will work. If condition is true, go one direction. Condition is false, go another direction, like this. All of you. Okay, right. So here there are different types, guys. First one is what? First one is conditional statements. Let's talk about first one, conditional statements. Actually, three types are there: conditional, iterative, transfer statements. Now let's talk about first conditional statements, guys. Right? So these statements will work purely based on the condition only. Purely based on the conditions, guys. Right? All of only conditions. Condition is true, condition is false, like this. All of right? Okay. And here the first one is what, guys? Simple if statement. Simple if statement. First condition, guys. The second is what here? If else statement. If else statement. But third one here, if statement. The fourth one is what? Nested if statement. That's all. So like that, there are four types of if statements, guys. Four types of if statements: simple if else, elif, nested if. Now I am going to draw the pictures of simple if else, and elif statement, guys. See, in other languages, this is what if, else, if block. In other languages, if else if. But in Python, that if else if simply called what? Elif statement. Elif statement. Okay, right. Now, guys, observe here. I am going to draw one picture. Then you can easily understand the purpose of each one. The purpose of each one, guys. Okay. Right. First is what? First one is what, guys? Here, simple if statement, right? Simple if statement, first one. Now, guys, observe here. What is happening? The program is executing. The program executing. At a certain time, we check the condition. This is condition, guys. Okay. This is what condition. We check the condition here, right? Now, guys, observe now. This is what condition. This is the condition. Okay, condition, right? Now, generally, every condition has two results. It can be either true or false, right? If condition is true, go in this direction. Right? And execute one block. Block means what? Set of statements. If condition is false, go in this direction, and execute on another block, guys. Execute another block, right? Two blocks are there. But this is what simple if statement, guys. Okay, simple if statement. We have the block only if condition is true. This is what here. Condition is true, guys. Okay, this is what condition is true. That's all. If condition is true, it executes what? The following block, guys. This is called following block. What's following here? This is following the condition. This is following what? Condition. That's why this is called what? Following block. Sir, if condition is false, then how? If condition is false, then no execution, guys. Means what? No block execution. If condition is false, nothing. All of you. No block execution. Only this is what, guys? This is what? Simple if. In a simple if condition is true, then only block will execute. If condition is false, nothing will execute, guys. No error, nothing. All of you. The best example is, observe, guys, here. I want check whether I get pass or fail in the exam, right? Generally, what is the condition, guys? Tell me, to decide pass or fail out of 100. What is the condition? The marks The marks must be greater than or equal to 35. That is condition, guys, here. That is condition. All of right. The marks must be greater than or equal to 35. Then you are pass, right? Now the marks I got is some 80 marks, guys. All of how many I got here? I got 80 marks. How many got here? 80 marks, right? Now 80 marks. Check the condition. Check the condition. Now the condition true or false, tell me, all of you. I check the condition here. What is my marks? My marks is 80, right? 80. So 80 greater than or equal to 35. True or false? True. Condition is true. Then if condition is true, then my father says that wow, right? Wow, and he says that congratulations, right? And he says that I will buy a bike, right? Bike. See, because when I pass in the exam, this is what happening. My father says that wow, congratulations, I will buy a bike, right? And next we will go to dinner like that. My father says set of statements, guys. He is giving a set of statement. This is one statement. This is one statement. This is one statement. This is one statement. This is all called a block. What you call? It is a block, right? All of you. This is what my father promised me because I got good pass marks. I passed the exam. Then he says this all. Right? Very happy mood, guys. Very happy mood. The second case. Suppose I got the marks. Just 20 marks, guys. Second case. This is the first case over. In the first case, my father is very happy. Now, in the reverse case, I got 20 marks only. Then check the condition. Now, tell me, guys, the condition true or false, all of you. I got 20 marks. Then true or false? It is false. Now, my father is worried more, and he is not scolding me. He is not praising me. That's all. He is silent, guys. My father is silent now. Why? Because I got failed here. However, he can't praise me. The same way, he is not scolding me also. Why? Nowadays, guys, if you scold the students, they can do anything, right? They can do anything, guys. Okay. So in this case, what is happening here? My father is silent. That's all. Father, guys, what happening here? Father is silent. That's all, guys. Means what? No happy mood, no scolding mood also. Nothing is there. Just is silent. That's why what I am saying here. If the condition is false, so in this case, father is silent. Is not scolding and not praising. If you fail in the exam, the father will not say wow. The father will not say congratulations, sir. The father will not say I will buy a bike. He is silent here. Don't want to scold me also. He is silent. This is what simple if, guys. Simple if means there are some parents who are happy if you pass. Who are praising if you are pass. If you fail, then they are silent, guys. They may feel sad internally. They are silent. That's all. They don't scold. They don't praise. That is some types of parents. Some types of parents like that. Now let's go the second type of parents, guys. Second type of parents, what they do. Let's see, guys, here. But all parents are not silent, guys. Some parents, if you fail in the exam, some parents will show you their talent, guys. Okay, all of you. Now let's see the second type of parents, right? Second type of parents, guys. So what do I do here? I am taking the same thing. Guys, all of you. I am taking the same thing here. So in this case, if you fail in the exam, here also one block will be there. One block will be there. What is the block? I'll tell you guys here. See, all of you observe. What's first case? If marks equal to 80, tell me now what is the result, guys? Here, if marks is 80, the condition true or false? Condition is true. At that time, what the parents say? The parent says that wow, congratulations, okay, I will buy a bike, car, like that. Okay, next we will go to dinner, like that. Parents saying, guys, when if you pass the exam, right? Now in the second case, the marks are 20. The marks are 20. In this case, what is happening here? If you fail in the exam, right? Because condition is false, guys, right? Then fail. This is what pass. This is what fail. If fail in the exam, at that time, some parents what they do, okay, they may encourage, like don't worry, it's common thing, like that. Some parents scold very badly. That you can see mostly villages, guys, right? They scold very badly. Okay, but some parents they don't scold, they understand it. They say that okay, don't worry, okay, don't worry. You can try when in March, September, guys, right? You can try next time. You can try next time, guys, right? Next time. That's all. All of right. See, they're not scolding. Just they are supporting, guys. Okay. Don't worry. You can try next time. That's all. Right. See, if you pass a different statements, if you fail a different statements, guys, right? Different statements means here both are there. Pass block is there. Fail block. Both blocks are there. This is called what? If else. If means what? Pass. Else means what? Fail. Both are there. If else statement, guys. Okay, all of you. Both pass is there, fail is there, right? If means what? Pass. Else means what? Fail. Like true, false. Both are there, guys, right? This is what? If else statement. If else statement. All of you. Now let me know, guys. Everybody, is this clear now? This is what? If else statement. If else statement, that's all. Right. And this block is called what here? This block is called else block, guys. This is called what here? Else block. Else block. All of let me know, guys. Are you clear now? The difference between which one? Simple if and if else statement. All of let me know. Everybody. Are you clear now, guys? The difference between simple if and if else statement. The simple difference. Which one? If condition is false, no block. But here condition is false, also block is there, right? If means what? If means true, else means false, right? All of you. If means what? If condition is true, else means what? If condition is false. But here only simple if. That's why if condition is true. Here else is not there. That's why no else block, guys. No else block. All of you. Is it clear now, guys? Right. Now, so which one? We'll discuss these two parallelly, guys. Okay. We'll discuss these two parallelly one by one. First, what? Simple if statement. Right? Statement, guys. Now tell me now. First, what happens here? So it executes, all of you. It will check the condition first. It will check the condition. If condition is true, executes the following block. If condition is false, then no block executes. That's all. There is definition, guys. And what is definition here? It executes the condition. It checks the condition. If condition is true, it executes what? Following block. if condition is false, it executes what? Else block. That's all. Here both blocks are there. Here both blocks are there, right? Observe here. It will check what? Check the condition. It will check the condition. If condition is true, tell what happens here? It will execute what? It will execute which one? The following block, guys. Okay, following block. If condition is false, then it will not execute any block. That's all, right? The same definition for what? If else, right? Else block, guys. If else block, right? Tell me now here. Here also it will check what? Check the condition. Check the condition. If the condition, okay, condition is true. Tell me now, guys. It is true. Then what happens here? It will execute what, guys? It will execute what? Execute the which one? Execute the following block. Okay, following block, guys. If condition is true, right? Suppose if condition is false, then how? If condition is false, if the condition is false, then what happens? Tell me here. If condition is false, it will execute what? It will execute the which one? Else block, right? That is about simple if and if else, guys. Okay, if else. And you can see now syntax, guys. What is the syntax? Means the structure of the program. Condition, right? If then read the condition. Read the condition, guys. If condition, right? Like if which one? Marks greater than or equal to 35. Like that, read the condition, guys. If the marks greater than or equal to 35, or if the age greater than or equal to 18, means what? His measure. All of, right? Okay. So like that, we can take the condition here. Take the condition. We take the condition. After condition, we give the colon. Then we take a set of statements, guys. Whatever statements you want right here, we can write the print statements. Like you have seen, wow, congratulations. I'll buy a bike, we'll go dinner, like that. You can take multiple statements. This is what only simple if condition is true, the block will execute. But here, what is the structure of the condition here? Same if, write the condition here. If condition is true, again same, some statements, right? Some statements, guys, okay? Some statements like this, if condition is true. If condition is false, then else, again some statements, guys. Here both statements are there. We can see here both statements are there. So this is difference between what here? Simple if and if else statements. If else statements. All of you. So if you are clear, guys, see, this is the definition, this is the syntax, and then this is the flow, this is the flow chart, guys. Flow chart of simple if statement. Again, definition of if else, syntax of if else, and then flow chart of if else. So I am giving definition, syntax, and the flow chart. Flow means what? Execution flow. Guys, if you clear this one, we'll start the first basic program, guys, because we are not going to make directly advanced programs. No, we start the programs from 0 onwards. 0 means very basic programs onwards. Slowly we increase the level of complexity, but all are simple easy programs, guys, but we go advanced level slowly. But before that, let me confirm everybody till now, is it clear? All of you. All of you, guys. Okay, right. We'll start now a simple program, guys. Okay, let me open IDLE. And yesterday I gave the one file name, right? Yesterday I taken the one file name. What is the file name? Tell me. Yesterday one file name was given. Control O. Open the file. Control O. Our file name is what? Python free batch. This is our file name yesterday. This is what we have done yesterday, right? Now, if you want to write the new program, don't delete previous programs. The same case, don't open a new file for every new program. No. Simply what we do, the previous programs just we make the comment, guys. The previous programs we make the comment by giving a triple quotes beginning and ending, so that it won't execute. It is not which one executable. That's all. Don't delete it. Don't open new file every time. Okay, right. Now, guys, observe here. The first program, what we do. See, guys, I want take the marks from student. Means I want read the data from user. Tell me now. In Python, how to read data from user? Which function is used to read data from user? Let me know, guys, all of you. In Python, which function is used to read data from user? All of you. That function we discussed very clearly in the basics. In Python, which function is used to read the data from user? Guys, give reply, everybody. Sudarshan, yes. Which function? Input function. Input of. I'm asking user about the marks. So I'm asking user, enter your marks. Enter your marks. So see, you can give any number, right? You can give either 1 marks, 10 marks, 20 marks, right? 20 or some 50, 40, any number, right? Okay, that number, whatever giving by user, that number is reading which format? Or string format. That we know. Input function reads always data which format? String format. String means you are giving integer number, but how it takes? It takes like this. It takes a string format. Which format? String. That's why that string you should make which format again? Integer format, guys. Whatever it is reading in the string format, you must take it again a normal format. That's why we can convert here. Either you can use int function, guys, or you can use which one? Eval function for data conversion. We can use eval function, guys, and then assign to what? Assign to some marks variable. Which variable? Marks variable. So you can take the integer, guys, no issue. You can take the integer, but the student must give integer number only, like 1, 2, 10, 30, 40, 50, 60, 80, 90, like that. You must give a number. You should not give some float number, like I got, suppose, guys, 50.5 marks. 50.5 marks. Guys, nowadays I don't know, in our child days, they give half mark also, right? They give half mark also, guys. If you see in the child days, how they write 50, then they give 1/2 like this. All of you remember this one? All of you remember this one? In our school days, they give the marks like this, 50 and half, 35 and half, 30 and half, like that. They give the marks, guys, in our school days. Okay, so like that, some people give half mark also. At that time, int is not working here. Int does not allow which one? The float numbers. That's why always better choose what here? Eval allows integer values and float values also. Float values also. Okay, that's best way always, guys. Now the marks are taken by user. The same number assigned which variable now? Assigned to marks variable, guys. Suppose he is giving he is giving some number 50 like this. Now the 50 is assigned which variable now? Assigned to marks variable. All of this point important here. Whatever number he is giving, that number assigned which variable now? Assigned to marks variable. In the marks variable, what value is there? 50. 50 value is there. In the integer format, 50 value is there. Now, how to check the pass? If in this variable what value is there currently? 50 is there. He is giving 20. Now what is there here? 20 is there. He is giving some 99. Means what is there here? 99 is there. Means we should check in this variable. In this variable, what is the value? Is that value above 35 or not? Alright. So whatever he is giving, that is saving to where? Assigned to here. Assigned to here. Now we check here in this variable. In this variable, whatever the value is there, that value should be greater than or equal to 35 or not. Right? How to check it here? In this marks variable, some value is there, right? That value should be greater than or equal to 35. Yes or no? Right? If it is above 35, then see, I am giving the column, guys. I am giving the column. Click enter. See, if I click enter here, this column, this cursor will not go to beginning of the line, guys. No, it will do a tab space. A tab space means a 4 character space, and from there it starts, guys. It starts from there here, right? Means this is what now block. This is called one block, and this is what indentation. This is what here the space is called what? Indentation, guys. Okay, indentation. Indentation. In Python, indentation is most important, guys. We should maintain proper indentation. Compulsory we should maintain. In other languages, simply we give the column curly brackets and curly bracket, that's all, and give any number of lines from anywhere. You can write the from beginning, right in the middle, anywhere, no problem, guys. In other languages, but in Python language, to write a block, we don't use what? Curly braces. We don't use curly braces. What we use in Python language? Indentation is used. Indentation is used. Then I am saying that he got, see, if he is getting greater than or equal to 35, means what? He is passed. If he is passed, what I want to say? I want to say wow. Next, what statement here? Congratulations. Congratulations, all of you. And then I want, because the father is very happy, he is saying that I will give a gift just for passing only. And the parents saying that we will go to dinner, like that. When just if you get, if the marks is above or equal to 35, then the parent very happy saying all the statement. That's all, guys. This is what a simple if statement, guys. Okay, simple if statement means what? Here observe now. Observe, guys, here. Right? See, first condition is there. If condition, right? If condition. And then what is there here? Colon is most important. Colon is there, and then block is there. This is the block, guys. This is the block. Now what is over? Simple if statement program is over. Alright. Now see, I want on this one, guys. I want on this out of the file. Go to run module, or what shortcut here? F5. Save the file. Yes, guys. Observe now. All of you observe here. I am giving the marks. Something like some 70 marks, guys. What number I am giving? I am giving 70. Yes. Now, guys, observe here. If I click enter here, if I click enter, then this is 70. This 70 means this is the user data. User data is reading by which one? Reading by input function, convert by eval, assigned to what? Assigned to marks variable. Finally, in the marks variable, what value is there now? 70 is there. All of you guys concentrate here. In the marks variable, what value is there? 70, because 70 is given by whom? User. That value is there. That value is there, right? Now tell me what is the value here? 70, right? In the marks variable, what value is there? 70. 70 value is there. Now that 70 means that your marks 70 is greater than or equal to 35. True or false? This is the condition, guys. That 70 is greater than or equal to 35. True or false? It is true. The condition is true. If condition is true, then the block will execute. That output will display here. Output will display. Wow! Congratulations! I will give you a gift. We'll go to dinner. That all will display. That all will display. Just observe now. Click enter like this. That is the one case. That is the one case. Suppose the second case is again run the program. Run the program again. Now what is happening here? He is giving the marks, just 15 marks, guys. That's all. He is giving how many marks? How many marks? Just he is giving 15 marks only. 15 marks only. 15 marks only. Okay. And then click enter. So in this case, again, how much marks giving by user? 15. That 15 marks taken by what? Input function assigned to what? Marks variable. Now in the marks variable, what value is? Tell me. What is the value now? 15, right? Now that 15 greater than or equal to 35. Now true or false? Alright? That 15 greater than or equal to 35. True or false? This is false, guys. It is the false. If condition is false, it go outside, guys, right? Outside, no other block is there. No block. If condition is false, no block, right? No block is there. No block is there here. So it displays nothing. It displays nothing, guys. Okay. No error. In the same case, no output also. Just empty output will display, right? You can see now. You can observe here. No output will display, guys, here. All of you, let me know. Everybody, is this clear now, guys? This program, a small program. Right. This is what simple if, guys. For the same program, how to make it if else block, if else example, guys. The same program, how to make if else program. Simple, guys. What do we do? Just add else block only. That's all. See, guys, we observe here. If is come, right? If block same as it is there. Same as it is there. Extra what is there? Else block. Extra what is there? Else block. Observe here. The same program, everything, guys, as it is. The same as it is. Extra what is there here? Else block only. Else means what? If he is failed in the exam, if condition is false, then some code will display. That's all. Right? Now, guys, observe now. All of you observe here. See, else means what? Else means what here? If condition is false, then it go to where else block. It execute the else block. When condition is false, if marks below 35, condition is false, right? Condition is false, guys. At that time, what do we say here? Okay, don't worry, right? You can try next time, right? And we can display all the best for next. Simply all the best. That's all, guys. That's all, right? All of observe now. So means if condition is true, this following block will display. Following means what? The block is following what? Condition, right? So if condition is true, it executes. When condition is true, if the marks are 35 above 35. If condition is false, means what? The marks below 35, right? Below 35, then go to else block. It displays else block. That's all. It displays else block, guys. All of you. Now run the program again. Run the program F5. Observe now. I am giving now marks 10 only. I am giving the marks how much here? 10 only, right? Now just the 10 is taken by input function assigned to what? Marks variable. Assigned to marks variable. What is the marks value now? In the marks, what value 10 is there? 10 greater than or equal to 35. True or false? The 10 greater than or equal to 35. True or false? It is false. The condition is false, guys. When the condition is false, it go to else block directly. Else block directly, and it executes directly, and that output will come. What's the output here? Don't worry, we can try next time. All the best, like that. This all will display. This all will display. This is the actually the program flow. Starts from output screen and going to program, execute the program, and then again output displaying on the output screen. That's all, guys, right? All of you. From here the program executes starting, and here program executing ending. That's all, guys. Here the program starts executing, right? Okay, and finally the program ends here only. All of let me know. Everybody, are you clear now, guys? How the program executes, how the data passing, how the data is executing, is checking the condition, and finally how the data displaying on the browser, on the user. All of let me know. Everybody, is this clear now, guys? This flow is always important, guys. All of you, while you practicing also, just think like this. Don't practice blindly. You think like that. Think means what? Okay, from here the 10 taken to the which one input function assigned to marks variable. So how much is giving? 10 is there here. Check the condition. True or false? Condition is false. That means go to else block, execute else block, and output display here, like that. You think. Just think like that, because this is what here logical thinking improvement classes. We should increase what? Our logical thinking, guys. Not blindly practicing. We should think how the program executor is thinking, like interpreter or compiler, how they think, how they check. In the same way, we should start thinking. Even though initial days it is little difficult, guys, to think like that. Initial days, but if you do daily, then within 2 days, guys, you get habituated and you can think very easily, guys. Very easily, right? Run the program. See the output here. Don't worry. We can try next time. All the best. All the best. That's all. All of you. Right, so this is what, guys, now this is what if else condition, if else block, guys, if else block. All of you, guys, okay. Right, just we have seen one program, guys, only one program we have seen. Now let's go with one more program. To write the new program, guys, the previous program, just comment, how to comment here, by giving a triple quotes like this. Right. Now the next program is take the age of a citizen. Take the age, like age 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, like that. As per the age, you display whether that person is eligible to use vote or not. Right? To use the vote, compulsorily some age limit is there, right? Age limit is there. So as per the age, you display to him whether that person is eligible to apply for vote or not. Okay. So guys, for that again, what do we do? I take user data. I ask enter your age. So whatever age is giving, that is in the integer string format. Then we take conversion here, and then assign to which one? Age variable, guys. Assign to age variable. So in this case, we can give the number. It may be 1 year, You can give simply, you can for time pass, you can give age 1. You can give 10 years or 15 years or 18 years, 18 years, okay, 18 years or 20 years or 40 years or it can be 70 years, any number guys, any number, right? Okay. So then what do? We check it now whether that age value is above or equal to 18 or not. If it is above 18, then display very simply, congratulations, now you are eligible to apply or to use the vote, that's all. You can apply it if not there. If it is there, you can use it like that. All of right. So what I am trying here, if the age should be greater than or equal to 18, suppose now I am giving 20 years guys, now I am giving 20 years. What is the age value? 20. 20 greater than or equal to 18, true or false? It is true. It is true. Then I want display congratulations, okay. Next, you can apply, right? You can apply or use your vote now, that's all. You can apply. If not there, if it is there, you can use your vote now. You can vote. That's all guys, that's all. Now I run the program. Let's observe now. Observe guys here. So I am giving some 20 years guys, okay, any number guys, I am giving 20 years. Now that user number 20 is taken by what here? Input function assigned to what? Age. Assigned to age. What is the value here? 20. That's all. What is the value? The value is 20 guys, okay. The value is 20. All of you, right? 20. Now check it now. This 20 greater than or equal to 18, true or false? It is true or false? It is true now, right? True. Then execute the following block. What is there? Congratulations, you can apply or use your vote now. This is what will display. You can observe now. You can observe guys, right? Suppose guys simply saying congratulations, right? But I want to display name also. Hello Narayana, congratulations. Hello Vaishali, congratulations. Hello Sudarshan, congratulations. I want to take the name also from user. I want to display name also, right? So take the name of the user also guys. Take the name. Ask user their name also. Like I want to ask user, enter your name also along with the age. Give the name also. The name is always string only guys, okay, string only, so no conversion, just give the name equal to, right? Now he is giving the name, suppose Narayana here and some age 20 like this, right? Now I want to display hello Narayana, congratulations. Hello Narayana, right? So in that case, I can take one more print or same our choice guys, right? Hello. After hello, I want to display the person name. That's all. I want to display what here? Person name, right? But I am giving the empty brackets guys here. This is called what here? This is called now placeholder. Now inside the codes, if I use empty curly braces, it is called placeholder. To place the value of a variable, which variable? Name variable. For that, we can take outside dot format of which one? Name value. All of observe here. So I am taking the placeholder here. In this placeholder, I am taking the which value? Name value. What is name value? I am giving Narayana. That Narayana will display here. Hello Narayana, congratulations. You can apply or use your word now. So to send the variable value to placeholder, what function we use? Format function we use guys. Which function? Format function we use. Okay, Right. Now let me run this one, guys. I run this one. I am giving the name. I am giving the name Narayana. I am giving here something 20, guys. Here you can see now. Hello Narayana. Hello Narayana. Congratulations. You can apply or use your vote now. You can apply or use your vote now. That's all, guys. Hello, right? So inside the string, I am taking what here? Just an empty placeholder. Outside a dot format of, I am giving what here? Variable name. What's variable name? Name, right? Name. What's the value? Narayana. So Narayana will place here. So hello Narayana, like this. See, guys, I want to display along with the name age also. Like observe now. Hello Narayana. Hello Narayana. I want to display like continuation. I want to display you are how much age given? 20, right? 20 years old. Like this I want to display, guys. Hello Narayana. You are 20 years old. Means as a user, what I am giving those displaying again here. Name displaying is also displaying, guys. Hello Narayana. You are 20 years old. So congratulations, right? So now, hello Narayana, comma, you are years old, like this. Here I want to display name value, and here I want to display what? Age value. So take both the name comma age, Now both will come, guys. Both will come. Now run the program again. All of observe here. I run the program here. What is the name I am taking here? I am giving Narayana, and then I am giving the age 20, for example. You can see now. You can see here. Hello Narayana. You are 20 years old. Same I have taken here, right? I have taken, but I have taken the placeholder. In that, what is happening here? Name value coming. What is name value? Narayana is coming. And next, you are. I have taken the placeholder. What's coming there? Age coming, right? So 20 displaying here. You are 20 years old. The order is important, guys. Okay. Suppose if I take age here, if I take the name here, right? Then you know what happens here? The age will go to first one. Age will come. What is age value? 20. So 20 will come here, guys. 20 will come to here. 20. Next, or second one, name will go. What is the name? Narayana, right? So Narayana will come. So output will be what here? Hello 20. You are Narayana years old. Right? Hello 20. You are Narayana years old. Like that. If you want, let's try, guys. Okay. Let us try this fun. Let's see the name. That's all. So now what is happening here? First variable will go to the first place folder. That means what? Age. Age is what? 20. Next, second variable will go to second place folder. Order is most important. What is the second place folder value? Narayana. Output is what? Hello 20. You are Narayana years old. See, completely meaning changing, guys, right? Completely the meaning changing. I am giving a name. I am giving 20. You can see now. Hello 20. Hello 20. You are Narayana years old. Alright, so no meaning is there here. That's why the order is important here. Order of the variables is important, guys. That's all. Right? This is what when the age is above 20. The age above, so above 18, right? Above 18, guys. Right? Suppose if I give age something like 15 years, guys. Right? Now let's see here. I am giving some person named Narayana and is giving age 15 only. 15 only, right? In that case, what's first one? Name. Name is taken by what here? Name taken by the input function. Assigned to what? Name variable. The name what is there right now? Narayana is right. Okay, Narayana is there. Capital N. The next what here? Age. What is the age? 15, right? 15. And going to here, right? Going to here. What's the age value now? 15. On the name, no condition, guys. Right? Condition is about age only. Now age 15, right? 15 above or equal to 18, true or false? It is false. It is false. At that time it goes outside. It goes outside. Outside, no block is there. No block is there. No else block. So displays what? Empty. Displays empty. That's all. But in this case, I want to display, hello Narayana, you are 15 years old. So you are not eligible to apply or to use the vote. Like that I want to display, guys. Right? For that, what we do? Let's go to what, guys? Here else block. Then I display what here? I display again hello, right? Narayana. Then you are some 15 years old, right? Old. Outside what we use? Tell me now. Outside dot format of name comma age. So I can't say no congratulations here, right? All of you. Here what we say? I display to him, sorry, you are not eligible to use to apply or use your vote. That's all, guys. Okay, and I can display you need to wait some time. That's all, right? Now run this one, guys. Observe now. I run this one here. I run this one. I am giving same. Suppose I am giving the name Narayana here. I am giving the 15, right? Age 15. Now, what is the name value? The name value is Narayana. Assigned to what? Name variable, guys. That is what? Narayana. Next, what is the age value here? What is the age value? 15, right? 15. So assigned to what here? Assigned to age variable. How much here? 15, right? 15. Now condition based on the age, right? That's why what is the age here? 15. 15 greater than or equal to 18. True or false? It is false. It is false, right? False. Then go to else block and display what? Hello, right? Hello. What is the name value? Narayana. Hello Narayana, you are 15 years old. Sorry, you are not eligible to use vote. You need to wait for some time. These all statements will execute and display the output like this here. All of you. Okay. Now you can see now. Hello Narayana, you are 15 years old, right? Like this. But observe, guys, here in both blocks, either if block, else block, in both blocks, what is repeating? Tell me. The first line repeating as it is, guys, right? The first line repeating as it is. In the same case, this line is not required any condition here. Just displaying your name, displaying your age, displaying, right? Age displaying. This is the most important based on the age number, guys. These two most important, right? If it is above 18, congrats. Less than 18, sorry. This is changing is there here. Here change is there. But this is common, right? Which one? Hello Narayana, you are 20 years old. Hello Narayana, you are 10 years old. It's the same, right? Just number changing, guys. That's all. That's why what do I do here? For this one, I take outside the block display there. That's all. All of observe here also, because this is common line every time, right? This is common, guys, every time. Just displaying what? Hello name, displaying what? Your age only. That's why I take outside, guys. Take outside. Now let us check here now. Let's check here. I am giving the name, some name here. Okay, and I giving something 22 here. Right? Now first what happens here? Name Ramya is coming, age 22 is coming, right? First it executes, guys. It executes, and then check the condition. If we above 18, congrats. Less than 18, which one? Sorry, that's all. Now above 18 you are giving, then condition is true, it executes now. So one statement and this block will execute, guys. Observe now, right? All of you. Suppose I am giving the age just 12 years, same name I am giving here, 12 years. 12 years I am giving here. Then again what happens here? What is the age giving here? 12 years, right? 12 years name Ramya is giving. It executes again. It executes and then check the condition. Age above 18? No. Then go to where else block, display what? Sorry. display sorry guys like this. All of you. And one more thing guys, generally in our college days, like some 10 years ago, like that guys, anytime, right? When you go to internet to get the print of your marks, print of any document guys, right? At last bottom, after all, at the end, the display something like thank you for using our website, thank you for using manabadi.com, miseva.com, like that. So what happens here, whether you pass in the exam, you fail in the exam, but they said that thank you for using manabadi.com, thank you for using so website name will be there guys. It displays every time whether you pass, you failed, you get a state rank, you get all India rank, you got a 0 mark, but this is common. The last thank you is common every time. So then what do I take the outside the block? I take what now? I take like suppose I'm saying here thank you for attending coding classes. This time giving like this guys. Right? So then what happens here? It displays every time whether condition is true or condition is false. The display is common every time guys, right? Every time displays all of you. Okay. Now let's see this one guys. Now I am giving again some name I am giving guys. Age I am giving some 30 years. You can see now last line here, thank you for attending the coding classes. So age 30 means what? Condition is true, right? So displaying what? Congratulations. Now displaying some name again, giving some age guys, right? Age, small age I am giving like this. Then you can see now. Now it displays sorry. Why? Because Navya is just 14 years old. Sorry. At last what is there again? Thank you is there. Now if you observe here, in both cases, whether condition is true, condition is false, in both cases what is common? The first one hello common, last thank you common, right? Thank you common. Here also same. First hello common, at last what is there here? Thank you is common. And what is changing here based on the age? What is changing here? If you above 18, congrats, you can apply. Below 18, sorry, you need to wait some time. Sorry, wait for some time. Like this I want to display guys. That's it. Now everybody in the class, guys, let me know. Are you clear about this program or do you have any doubts? All of you guys, let me know everybody about this program, about format function and this all if condition else block. So are you clear guys? Any doubts are there here? All of you. Just I am going from very basic onward guys, right? I am not using an advanced here. At the same time, I am repeating the same statement multiple times. I am repeating the explanation 1 or 2 times guys. Everybody guys will reply. Yuvraj, Pradhan, Vaishali, Muhammad Riaz, Sudarshan, Gopal Reddy, Prashant, all of you guys. Is there any way other than placeholders are right? See, different ways are there guys. Suppose observe guys now. The same one without using a placeholder, I tell you observe now. The same without using placeholder guys, observe now. What I am saying here, I am saying hello. After hello, I want the name, right? Just give the comma name variable. Again what here? You are. Again I want to display age value again like this, right? So displays years old like this guy. This is the one way, right? So here what is happening? Every time what is happening here? Every time So the string end, take the commas, give the variable name. Again comma, string start like this, right? See, both are same, guys. You can observe now. I am giving some name here. Okay, let's try here. Kavya, and the age is what? Age is what here? Some 20 is giving, guys. Okay, you can see now, right? If you observe now, both displaying same format, right? This is what by using placeholder. This is what by using variables, right? By using variables, guys. Just here comma, you can take the comma will come. Hello Kaya, right? Hello Kaya, comma is there. To get the comma also here, we use a comma space. You are like this. You are like this, right? This is the one another way. And one more way. I think we can also use all of observe here, right? Hello. Directly we use what name, comma. You are which one? Age, right? Age, years old, like this, right? I think this is also same, guys. Let me try here. I am giving the name. I am giving something 40 years. Yes, you can observe, guys, here. You can observe now, all of right. So this is what by using format function and the placeholder, guys, right? First one by using format and placeholders, first one. Or second one by using variables directly, guys, without placeholders, variables directly here. Or third one by using f means what? Format, guys. Okay. Third one directly using the variables inside the print without format function. All of right. Can you observe now? So in this one, guys, in this three ways, this is difficult to write, guys. The second way is difficult to write. Why? Every time the string ending the commas, again commas, string, you have the multiple variables, somewhere we can make the mistake, guys. This is the difficult, so I don't suggest this one. We can use either this way, best one, or use this way, guys. Anyone, no problem. Again here also, this is the best one, right? Again extra we are taking the format outside all, but here inside only just giving the f means what? Format only here. Directly you can use what? Variable names, guys. That we can use here variable. This is the best way. If you compare these two, first and third one, both are okay, but this is the best way, guys. So like the different ways are there to display the variables along with the string. Okay. Anyone, no issue, guys, right? Right. So fine, guys, all of you. I hope, guys, you understand well today class. And guys, my request is, if anybody not subscribed, please, guys, check once and do subscribe, guys, and click on the bell icon. When I start the class, you get notification automatically without waiting for the link. You can join directly, guys, because some people they're waiting for that link. Link. It's not a Zoom link. It is a YouTube live. If you subscribe, automatically get the notification, guys, right? All of you. Okay, right. So fine, guys, now for today we stop it now. Again tomorrow we start the second class on coding. Slowly, guys, we go, but by end of 3 weeks, guys, you don't imagine your level of coding. That's all. All of you. Okay, just to concentrate, guys, and practice. That's all. That's enough, guys. Thanks so much. All of you will meet tomorrow. Bye.